What if you could harness the power of artificial intelligence to generate an income stream? It might sound like a distant dream, but it's not as far-fetched as you might think. Today we delve into the fascinating world of AI and explore how you can make money from it. Buckle up because this is going to be an exciting journey. Step 1. Identifying a problem. This is the foundation of any successful venture. In the realm of artificial intelligence, this could be anything from automating mundane tasks to predicting stock market trends. The key is to find a problem that AI can solve more efficiently than humans. Step 2. Building the right tool. Once you've identified a problem, the next step is to develop an AI solution. This could be a simple automation tool or a complex machine learning algorithm. The beauty of artificial intelligence is that it can handle a wide range of tasks, from data analysis to image recognition. Step 3. Monetizing your solution. How you choose to monetize your AI tool depends largely on the problem it solves. For example, if your tool automates data entry, you could sell it as a subscription service to businesses. If your tool predicts stock market trends, you could sell its predictions to investors. Step 4. Marketing your product. The success of your AI tool largely depends on how well you market it. This involves identifying your target customers, understanding their needs, and crafting a compelling value proposition. A great marketing strategy can significantly boost your sales and revenue. Step 5. Scaling your business. Once your AI tool starts generating revenue, it's time to scale your business. This could involve expanding your team, investing in more advanced technology, or exploring new markets. The goal is to maximize your revenue and ensure the long-term sustainability of your business. So to summarize: 1. Identify a problem that AI can solve more efficiently than humans. 2. Develop an AI solution to this problem. 3. Monetize your AI solution based on the problem it solves. 4. Market your product effectively to boost sales and revenue. 5. Scale your business to maximize revenue and ensure long-term sustainability. The potential of artificial intelligence is vast and largely untapped. By following these steps, you could harness the power of AI to generate a substantial income. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So start identifying problems, building solutions, and before you know it, you'll be making money from artificial intelligence.